It's me, Luigi time. It's me, Luigi time. It's me, Luigi. We're going on an adventure. Oh. What? I bet I could do something cool, guys. What's that? We have to split up, guys. Peter Bud, you go on yourself. I always go on myself when we do adventures. This is unfair. I'm sorry, you're just that uncool and weak. I'll show you. Boop, 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 boop. Hey, get off. See, you're weak. Yes, he's ugly and weak, so we're going. Whatever. Whoa, I wonder what's over here. Looks like some kind of house. Ooh, I'm going inside. Alright. Hold up. Luigi's sick. Luigi have to throw up. Wait. Blue. Where's the bathroom? Yeah, you're not throwing up on me. Get in there. Get in there. Get in that bathroom right now. Now, okay. Okay. You have to throw up. I'm in this bathroom. Where's the toilet? Where's the toilet? So bad. I feel like I'm sick. Flush. Goodbye. Now it's a Milo. Hold up. I want to take a bath. Whoops. Hold up. Oh yeah. Guys, I just swam in toilet water. Now it's not good. Oh, I'm gonna do it again. And I'm in toilet. I was just swimming in toilet water. Not that big of a deal. Now my feet are all wet. Oh, it's time to leave the... Wait. Alright, so Luigi, how you doing? Not that good. Did you throw up? Yes, I even coughed. And now I'm burping. Ew, that's gross. I know it's gross, but... Ooh, wait a minute. Is that a bit over there? Ooh, get it. Hey, you can't eat it. Because you're sick. You're going to get sick if you eat that. Mine now. Ooh, they got candy in here. And even an egg. That's probably from Easter. I'm eating it. Yummy. Wait. Oh, my foot. Yum. Dude, you ate the whole bag. Whoa, what the hell? 3, 2, 1. We're going to the zoo. Hey, Luigi, you want to go to the airport? Oh, yeah, the airport. That would be a fun idea. A friend idea. We could just leave old Peter Bud. But the whole problem is my feet are wet. Your feet are wet? What happened? I don't want to talk about it. Okay. I'm pretty sure I know what you did. We gotta go to the airport now. You know what? Let's go to the plane. I feel like the plane's this way. Bye-bye. Guys, this house is like really weird. Hold up, I just gotta take a nap. Is there a cat in here? That is my pet. I am your... Who are you? I am your worst... Hey, you can't even see me. Yeah, I can. But the screen's all blowy. Why is it blowy? Because my house is scary. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna peck you. Hey, die. Hey guys, it's me, Cubby. What's the matter? You afraid of a cub? Why am I so glitchy though? I am corrupted. Wait, what? Peck, take this. Granny's feeling a little bit sick. That's it. I'm just gonna peck you. Take this. Oh, stop fighting me. You don't fight me. I can do whatever I want because I'm the Ophelia bird. And plus, I'm just gonna smack you with my bat. Wait, what? I finally made it out of that house. It was weird. There was even a cat there. I didn't even get to see the cat. Did you see the cat? Did you see it like somewhere around? Comment down below if you saw it somewhere. Comment down below if you saw a cat somewhere. Please let me know. But don't you dare lie. Because if you lie to me, I will peck you. I'm not joking. No joke. If you don't do this, like, they went to the airport, like, that stinks. I hate them. Whoop, time to fly. Wait, I could just fly to the airport. Cat, why are you looking at me? Why is there a cat on the plane? Get off of the plane. Bro, get off of the plane. I guess you're a good guy. I love you, kitty. I'm happy you're in the plane with us. You're sitting next to Luigi. Guys, it's me, Blue. Oh yeah, I forgot you came. Well, we left Ophelia. I wonder how she's doing in that house. Probably okay. Meow. Oh, you seem so cute. Like, oh, we're landing, so we have to go. Oh, we're finally back from that airport. That took like forever. Yeah, we even saw cats. I hated them at first, but now I love them, and I miss them. Yeah, me too. Getting kind of bored. I wonder what Peter's doing. We went to the airport and she missed out. Yeah, we did. And we flew. Wait a minute. Hold up. I'm calling Ophelia. I have a car. I can just use this. Hello? I don't see you guys in the airport. Where were you? Where are you? I don't see you in any seat. Are you in the driver's seat? Like, let me check. No, you're not. Where are you? Well, we're not even at an airport. Dude, you're lying. I saw the message. Well, we just got home. Wait, you what? Yeah, we just got home and we're going to play some video games. Video games? I want some video games. Well, you got to fly the way home. Oh, yeah, I do have to do that, but I can't easily do that. Like, come on. Like, when I meet you guys, I'm pecking you. Oh, no, she's gonna peck us. Like, we gotta go. Bye. What did she say? She's gonna peck us, bro. Like, wait, what? We gotta hide then. Let's hide separate. Okay, Luigi going to hide. Wonder where Golden Blue's hiding. Okay, so I gotta hide somewhere. Maybe in this room would work. Let me close the door. She won't notice me. Right? Wait a minute. Luigi got a good idea. Maybe Luigi could try to hide. Like in one of these drawers. That's my idea. Okay. Comment down below if you know where Golden Blue's hiding. Comment down below if you know. Which one? He won't check the third one. So I'm going to try the third. Oh, Nintendo Switch. Nah, but I'm hiding this one. This one. I want to play some. Wait. No, I can't play yet because Ophelia, if she comes in here, she's going to hear the game and then she's going to find me. So I gotta get in. Get in there. We gotta close the door. I'll never look in here. Guys, I flew back home. Where are you? You guys are right here. They're both not here. They have to be hiding from me. Let me go check somewhere. Where could they be? Nah, they couldn't hide in. Oh, they could. I'll check that later. Maybe in this room. I closed the door. Anybody? Wait, they could be behind the chair. All I see is a freaking Yoshi. But that's not who. I'm not looking for Yoshi. Oh, I'm gonna play the. Oh, let's play. No, Ophelia, you're not getting distracted by a stupid, dumb ass video game. You have to find those two. Anybody in the drawers? I'll check the fourth one because they always hide in the fourth. So I'll check the fourth one. I'm done checking the drawers. If after this, he's not gonna. It could be like all the way in. Nope, I don't see him. So we have to check somewhere else, I guess. It could be in there, but I'm not. Even if they are in there, like I'm not digging down there. If you're not in there, I'm wasting my time. So I'm not digging all the way back to the bottom. That's gonna take like forever. So I gotta look somewhere else. Wonder where? Where else could I look? You guys have like 20 seconds left before I pack you. Where could they be? Is there anybody in this kitchen? Pretty dark in here. I gotta turn the lights on. Anybody? Maybe in this cabin. Whoops. Sorry. Time is up. I can't find them anywhere. Like, where are they? Like, guys, come out. Dude, you actually believe that? Wait, what? I don't even play video games. What are you talking about video games? Nothing. Wait, you in there? I don't get to pack you since the time expired, but where is Blue hiding? Don't know. I'll go look. Maybe in the kitchen again. Maybe. Sometimes I just have to double check things. Sometimes I just have to double check things. Okay. Is he in here? Hey, guess what? What? Ha ha. You lose. What?